The factory smelled of smoke and iron. Even before my shift began, whispers moved through the halls. Workers who never returned. Some said accidents. Some said exhaustion. In those days, the machines never slept. And neither did we. The only rule was simple: survive the shift and survive the night. When my work finally ended, the town was already alive. Markets buzzed with noise. Music spilled from taverns. People laughed, drank, and celebrated the end of their day. I walked alone. Every night, I followed the same path home, through narrow passes, tight streets, and shadows the gas lamps could never fully reach. That was when I first noticed it. Footsteps, always behind me. At first, I ignored them. England was crowded. Workers filled every street. But whenever I stopped, the footsteps stopped. When I walked faster, they followed. I turned around. No one, only empty stone streets, and smoke drifting through the air. My heart began to race. I told myself it was nothing, that I was tired, that another long shift had finally reached my mind. So I walked faster. The sound grew louder, closer, my breathing mixed with it, each step echoing against the stone. I passed through busy markets, faces smiling, hands raised with drinks, voices full of life. Still, the footsteps stayed with me. Not theirs, not the streets. Mine, but not mine. As I reached the old factory ruins, abandoned after an accident no one spoke of, the air changed, the noise faded, and then I heard something else. A voice, calling my name. Soft, close. I didn't answer. I ran. The footsteps ran too. Heavy, urgent. I didn't look back. I turned a corner and struck something hard. Stone against my head. The world spun. Then darkness swallowed everything. When I opened my eyes, the street was different. Silent. The market was gone. The laughter gone. Gas lamps flickered weakly, casting long, twisted shadows across the road. Then I heard it again. Footsteps. Slow. Measured. I realized something then. The sound wasn't following me anymore. It was waiting. Morning came quietly. The sky turned pale. Factory bells rang in the distance. Workers walked past me on their way inside. None of them stopped. None of them looked down. I tried to speak. No sound came out. Then I saw the wall behind me. A paper notice nailed into brick. Old ink. Fresh words. It read, "Fallen worker. Identification unknown." I looked at my hands. They were still, cold. That was when I understood. The footsteps were never behind me. They were following the space I left behind. In those days, no one noticed when a worker disappeared. Something did.